everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to fall makeup routine because I've been doing my makeup a little bit different because, you know, it's fall time. I love fall colors, so I'm super excited for this video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's just get started. Alright, so now that I have no makeup on, I'm gonna start off this makeup look doing my face because I always do my face. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and I'm almost done with this. Kind of crazy. And I'm just gonna apply this onto like my T-zone area because that's where I get like a lot of pores and I want it to look smoother. Also, I should put like my little mirror right here. I love Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It's my favorite. So I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes in a triangle shape. A lot of people say not to do it like that, but I like it, so that's what I do. And I'm just going to blend that in with my little beauty sponge. Okay, so next step is foundation. I swear by this foundation. It is my favorite foundation ever. It's the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. I'm in the shade 425. This is honestly like my perfect shade. So hopefully my skin doesn't really get any paler or tanner because this shade seriously matches me so well. I just kind of put it on with my finger and start blending it out, and I really take my time blending so that it's nice and seamless. Now that that's all blended in, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some cream blush before I put powder on. I love to use cream blush. This is the Maybelline Cheeky. It's literally my favorite blush ever. It's just super natural and I don't know, I just really like the look of cream blushes for the fall and summertime. So I'm applying this on my cheeks. The reason why I can get away with using more cream product is because since it's like fall, the weather gets a little bit colder, at least where I live, and not as hot, so I can get away with not wearing as much powder because I do have extremely oily skin. Kind of just gives you a nice rosy flush. And then I'm gonna take some powder. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and I love this powder too. Like, Maybelline is just stepping up their game. I do bake. If you guys don't have super oily skin like me, obviously this is not necessary. I wish I didn't have to bake my face all the time, but if I want my makeup to last, I have to bake. Alright, so then for bronzer, I like to use this Nars Laguna bronzer, and I just take a little bit on this Morphe brush and apply it onto the hollows of my cheeks. I don't really care if it's like super messy. I just really want a little more color to my face, so I'll just blend that all over and into that. So I take this Morphe illuminating stick and I just take a little bit on the back of my hand like so, and what I'll do is I'll just put like a teeny tiny bit on the tip of my nose and on the bridge. I don't really wear any other highlighter, so that's pretty much it for the face. I'm just gonna take some Morphe luminous setting spray and spray this all so it looks nice and like natural. Whew. And I like to go crazy with this because honestly, it's just like the best feeling. And I feel like it really does make your makeup look not as cakey, if you can tell. So now we're gonna move on to eyes, but first I'm just gonna apply some lip balm so that when I do lips, my lips will be nice and moisturized, like so. For eyeshadow, I really want to do, like, I've been really into more of like a cranberry-ish color. I'm going to take my Maddie Ziegler Imagination palette, and I'm going to take a nice little soft brown color. I'm going to take a matte brown color. It just looks like this. Just a very simple little matte brown. I'm going to take some of this on my little Morphe brush, tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply this into my crease and just really making sure it looks blended. And I kind of like to move my brush upward so it gives me like a nice cat eye effect. Okay, so now that the brown is all blended out, I'm going to take the color And Back. This is basically a really pretty shimmery red color. Let me see if I can swatch that. That's kind of what it looks like. It's like a nice burnt orange. And I'm gonna take my fingers because I don't want the fallout to like get on my face. And I'm really just going to pat that on and try to like blend it in a little bit with my fingers. This is the best way to do this eyeshadow because otherwise you'll just get fallout and it won't be as pigmented if you use a brush. So I like to use my finger. I think it looks really pretty and rustic, and I'm gonna do the same for this eye. So now that the red is all in our eyes, we're just going to take our little brush again and not take any more product. I'm just going to use the brush, and whatever's on the brush left, I'm just going to blend that in and smoothen out the two colors that are meeting. Alrighty, and then what I like to do is take just any like nude shade and apply that on my brow bone so it's nice and accentuated. This way your brow bone gets a little more definition. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is take liner. You don't have to take eyeliner, but personally I really like liner, so I'm gonna just do a little cat eye, and yeah. Alrighty, so we finished our eyeliner, and I'm gonna take lashes. Again, you do not need lashes or liner. I just personally love a dramatic makeup look, especially for fall and like the winter time. I feel like I definitely go more focused on my makeup during those times. Okay, so the makeup is finally coming together. I think it looks really good. And next thing we're gonna do is lips. So I love to use lip liner, so I'm using, actually I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this NYX lip pencil in Nude. And what I kind of like to do is, I still have chapstick on, but that's fine. I will just overline my lips a teeny bit on the Cupid's bow. Okay, and I think And I'm just going to add some of this nude gloss from Maybelline on the center. And that is the finished look. So that is the end of today's little fall makeup video. I will show you guys a little close-up of what my eyes look like. I don't know if I'm doing this right. It's super cute and super glam. Perfect if you guys are going on a cute little fall date or on a little pumpkin patch date. I don't know, whatever it is. I think it's perfect. This has come to be like my new go-to makeup video or like my makeup routine. I know it's a little glam for most people and it's a little much, but I love being extra and makeup is just so fun to play around with, so I like it. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!